Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's webinar titled CAD Visualization Solution for Manufacturing Industry. I am Sachin Nalawade, founder of CAD. I am the moderator and host for today's webinar. In today's webinar session, we will cover challenges faced by manufacturing organization in terms of CAD data usage. Introduction to efficient and cost-effective CAD visualization solution. How to improve productivity for design and manufacturing engineers and augment product development process. On the glorious offer for the attendees. Our first speaker is Ashutosh Kumar Singh. He is working with SCL Technologies Limited as sales head for India region for design and visualization product portfolio. Ashutosh has completed his bachelor's in mechanical engineering and post graduation in business management in marketing. I would like to thank Ashutosh for being with us today. Our second speaker is Sridhar Oroganti. Sridhar had done his bachelor's in technology in mechanical engineering and he is working as a group product manager at HCL. He is taking care of product management for Glovius Software. I would like to thank Sridhar for being with us today. So before I hand it over to presenters, let me share the logistics of today's webinar. Webinar is of approx 60 minutes. Your active participation is important throughout the session. I have kept everyone on mute to avoid background noises. However, you can enter your questions and comments in the question box throughout the presentation. Time permitting, your questions will be answered following the presentations. If time runs out before, we will make sure the answers are emailed to you. So with this, I hand it over to Ashutosh to begin the presentation.
Thank you, Sachin.
Ashutosh.
Thank you, Sachin. Thanks for introducing us. And a very good afternoon to everyone participating in this webinar. We would like to take this opportunity to share more about our organization, who we are, and what we do. SCL Technologies, as you would be aware, is a global organization of Indian origin. It has presence in almost all major economies of the world. Revenue-wise, it's a $10 billion organization with a workforce of around 150,000 people. Our team is part of product division of SCL Technologies, which is known as ERX. This division is focused on creating its own IP, developing software products, and acquiring new technologies with which we help our customers in their digital transformation journey. As a team, we are focused on manufacturing sector. You can see our product portfolio listed here in this slide. CAMWorks is our intuitive feature-based CAM software. We offer solutions in the field of design for manufacturability, which helps you to identify and correct downstream manufacturability issues right at the design stage. Thus, helps in improving design quality, reduce cost, and time to market. Glovius is a CAD visualization solution on which we will be discussing in detail today. And we have MintVisor, our manufacturing analytics solution for plant managers and factory personnel, which provides real-time machine monitoring and analytics of shop floor data. Since we are talking about manufacturing sector, let's see as a country how we are positioned today. In last 1 decade or so, Indian manufacturing sector has seen lot of traction, development, and initiatives, which is making it quite an attractive destination globally. We have seen the launch of Make in India initiative in 2014 with a vision to make India as a global manufacturing hub. Even national manufacturing policy has been modified to align with Make in India, and it has an ambitious target of 25% of GDP contribution from manufacturing sectors in coming years. Last year, Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative was introduced with a vision to make India a self-reliant economy. With this, there is focus on multiple sectors to boost manufacturing and exports. And it is going to have immense impact on sectors like defense, electronics, etc. Quite recently, we have seen the push on production-linked incentive schemes, which incentivize incremental production to make Indian manufacturing globally competitive, ensure efficiencies, and create economies of scale. If we see all these initiatives in totality, these all are focused towards similar goals. And what does it indicate? It shows that we are in a very crucial stage of growth with a push on policies, infrastructure, and scale, and there is enormous opportunity for Indian manufacturing sectors ahead. However, we just faced a historical disruption, and it is still continuing. It has completely changed the way manufacturing industry worked. Remote working, virtual meetings. We could not have thought of these things to work in manufacturing setup few years back, but it is part of new normal now. There is increasing importance of efficient collaboration, whether you collaborate internally with different departments or externally with your customers and suppliers. Efficient collaboration is key. And overall, there is huge pressure on management for investment optimization in whatever way possible. To take this discussion ahead, I would like to invite my colleague Sridhar, who will showcase how, as SCL Technologies, we can help to achieve few of these objectives with our CAD visualization solution. Sridhar, over to you.
Good afternoon and a very warm welcome to all the participants of this webinar. Thanks Ashutosh for introducing HCL Technologies product portfolio and highlighting the growth drivers along with the latest situation affecting the manufacturing industry. One of the key aspects of manufacturing industry in recent times has been the adoption of 3D design data for collaboration between teams engaged in all stages of design. Be it prototyping or manufacturing a component, collaboration includes providing access to the design data and digitally gathering feedback from all the stakeholders. Therefore, MCAD and their allied applications have crept into the daily workflow of all the manufacturing organizations and have become the backbone of all these companies. Typically, we notice an order of magnitude increase in the number of users consuming 3D CAD data with respect to the CAD designers. When I say CAD designers, I mean the CAD modelers who use CAD applications to create the geometry. These users are involved in various stages of manufacturing, from be it should costing experts to production engineers or even assembly technicians. All of these users consume 3D data to accomplish their work and contributing to the production of components. However, these lead to certain conflicts, and there are a number of limitations and restrictions in adopting CAD applications for all such downstream users. The limitations mainly are CAD applications, as most of you are aware, are expensive with a very complex pricing structure. CAD applications overserve these downstream users with a vast set of unnecessary features. They have high deployment costs in terms of IT bandwidth needed for installing and servicing this software, providing trainings, and the need for special and expensive hardware. As Ashutosh briefly mentioned earlier, that these unprecedented times have only exponentially accelerated this trend of adopting digital tools, embracing tools and digitizing workflows in manufacturing companies, and have enabled them to adopt to this new normal. In fact, the CEO of a company making the most widely used productivity software had mentioned last year that they've just witnessed 2 years of digital transformation in just 2 months in April. Manufacturing, along with healthcare, was identified as the key drivers of this trend. However, this also means that organizations like yours are increasingly facing budget overruns while procuring expensive CAD application licenses and incurring additional training and hardware costs. With this context, I would like to introduce Glovius, a modern CAD visualization tool used in manufacturing companies in various domains like automotive, aerospace, and high tech for a variety of use cases and a variety of users. Our team is based out of India and has been in the business of making MCAD software for over a decade now, with a pedigree of over 1,000 customers worldwide. Glovius helps you to visualize, analyze, and generate reports of CAD files without needing the CAD application or consuming a CAD application license. I would like to draw special attention to three use cases mentioned here, as most of them would be familiar to you, our audience today, namely paperless manufacturing, should costing, and consumption of 3D data on the go. Let's delve a bit deeper into all these use cases. When we say paperless manufacturing, Glovius is used in a large number of tier 1 and tier 2 auto ancillary companies that serve as OEMs, that serve their OEM companies as manufacturing partners. Considering that many of them serve multiple customers with different CAD systems, Glovius serves as a single endpoint to view 3D CAD data from these disparate landscape of applications. So Glovius can natively open CAD application files from CATIA, NX, Creo, SolidWorks, and all other popular formats. Moreover, users can also natively view all aspects of the 3D data, which includes 3D geometry, PMI information, GD&T, as well as the attribute information that is stored at a project meta level to get both the holistic as well as the minute details of these component designs. In case of purchasing and quotation teams, should costing engineers, as we know, with the onset of outsourcing, many of the OEMs are now system integrators and thus dependent on a pool of talented costing engineers and experts who are able to quantify the manufacturing of a component. These users essentially consume the data that is given by the designers or the modelers. These users are experts in manufacturing technologies and hence need a fast way to identify geometry measurements to assess the time taken at a particular operation or a particular manufacturing step. About a third of our users, current users of Glovius, are should costing engineers, and they use all these vast measurement tools available to get the component overview. In fact, with a single click, you can get the component overview, that is the extent dimension, the mass value, and the billet size to enable you to analyze your designs faster. And in some cases, our users have reported that they have drastically reduced the response times to RFQs that they receive from their customers and prospects. Thirdly, another critical component has been the adoption of 3D data for the mobile users, namely sales engineers and site project engineers. So using Glovius, all these users can showcase their products in 3D to their customers and prospects instead of the regular paper collaterals. The ability to provide extra details and access 3D design blueprints also serves as an instant reference for them during support and installation setups. I would like to highlight here that Glovius has a very low bandwidth requirement from your organization's IT department. It has already been vetted by many IT teams for use in their organization. The application is lightweight, installs in seconds, and occupies less than 500 MB of disk space. It runs on all typical PCs and laptops with nominal hardware configurations. Apart from the department mentioned in the earlier slide, Glovius is also used in other teams involved in the design cycle and have the need to access 3D data. Some of the tools are typically unavailable even in CAD applications as well. For example, in case of designers, they can use Glovius to compare or reference to the earlier designs and visually highlight the similarities and differences in the versions of a component. The resulting deviations and changes are displayed in 3D that help to quickly identify the changes in geometry or changes in the constituents of an assembly, that is the MBOM or manufacturing bill of materials. Shop floor technicians could completely go digital and switch to using 3D design data for integration tasks and work instructions using Glovius. Again, this removes the need and the dependency on the IT teams for generating engineering drawings or procuring the latest updates on the design data. Purchase teams, like I mentioned briefly earlier, also access 3D components, generate their BOM reports, and identify constraints to ensure steady supply chains. With this, what I wanted to do was display a select few customers of Glovius, and as Glovius functionality and feature set has echoed with both generic and niche applications among our customers who are who are a mix of both OEMs as well as tier 1, tier 2 suppliers. They use it for planning all their manufacturing operations and for planning the next steps in during manufacturing. Considering the flexibility in licensing options, some of our customers use network licensing, while a few of them use name user licenses. A few companies have also equipped their entire organization with a license mix based on the preference and the mobility requirements of their individual departments. To give you a glimpse into one such company, I would like to showcase and highlight a case study of one of our earliest customers based in India. The customer has over 40 users and is an Indian arm of a major Japanese automotive company. This case study, I hope, provides you the quantitative data that convinces on the adoption of digital tools like Glovius Viewer. The Indian team, as I mentioned before, receives the finalized designs of automotive components for analysis and subsequently for manufacturing. The 40 experts are spread in various divisions like manufacturing, planning, and even design. After analyzing their 3D designs, they liaison with their local manufacturing partners to outsource the jobs and share work orders. Glovius is used in their entire operation, right from analysis of designs to verification and creating work orders with packages containing the 3D PDF artifacts. One team in charge of manufacturing the body dies of automobile ensures that the dimension of the die cast is in sync with the component and the variations available in the market. The analysis tool in Glovius helps them get these values in a single click. Furthermore, they use markups to collaborate with their vendors and generate 3D PDF reports as supplemental references to their work orders. So essentially, instead of sharing a 2D printout, they are sharing 3D data as an artifact, supplemental artifact for all their work orders. The second team uses various design analysis tools inbuilt in Glovius to gather the intent and plan accurate manufacturing steps. For example, they use thickness analysis tools to identify the thick and thin regions and that verify whether any potential defects arising out of the particular geometry could be causing difficulties during manufacturing. They can also close all feedback loops and check the material optimization in case the component is being manufactured using, say, a casting process. Billet values also assist them to plan for the material and raw stock handling for manufacturing each component. As the entire process is driven by the OEM, the entire team uses Glovius to view parts and assemblies and the drawings made in CATIA, a well-known CAD application, without ever needing a CATIA license. This team has derived a whopping 92% savings in license costs. Considering that our users need minimal or no training, they derive value from Glovius in a matter of hours and days. And with this data point, I would like to hand it over back to Ashutosh to carry the discussion forward. Over to you, Ashutosh.
Thank you, Sridhar. Thanks for covering all the topics in detail and sharing how Glovius is helping leading companies to optimize their investment by providing visualization capabilities and fulfill requirement of CAD data consumers. We also thank all our participants today for being part of this webinar. And as a token of thanks, we would like to extend a very special trial offer to everyone here. Before coming to offer, let me share some details about licensing system of Glovius. Glovius is available in multiple options. Annual subscription or perpetual licenses options are there. You can go for node locked or floating licenses. We also have team pack available for a bundle of 5 licenses. Capability wise, there is option of 3 levels of product: light, standard, and plus. All this information is available on our website. We have seen the uses of Glovius in multiple departments in an organization. It may be manufacturing, quality, estimation, tooling, business development, procurement, or even management. Today, we are offering you an enterprise-wide trial license for 2 months. You can evaluate Glovius with your whole team With this duration, you can involve multiple teams and see how it works in their setup and processes. Licenses provided will be floating. It can sit on your server, or if you want, you can put it on your individual machines as well. And it is very easy to configure. So you can immediately start the evaluation and see how it is helping different teams in collaboration and productivity improvement. And needless to say, we are available for any support required. We are locally present here in India and can assist you in case of any help needed. There are 3 ways to avail this offer. First, let me run a poll. If you are interested right now, you can give us your response and we will reach out to you to process this evaluation license. Poll will be visible on your screens and will be there for 30 seconds. Please select yes if you would like to raise this evaluation request. I'm just launching the poll. You can select your response if you are interested in getting more details about this special offer and availing the same. I will be closing it in next 10 seconds. Okay. Thanks for all your responses. You will soon receive a communication from our side in this regard. If you would like to have discussion within your respective organizations and then come back to us, you can use other 2 options. You can visit our Glovius website with mentioned URL and you will get a form to fill up. Else, you can reach out to me at ashutoshkumar_singh@hcl.com or our marketing team's email ID marketing@glovius.com. This offer is available till 31st of March. So there is another 3 weeks of window to register for this evaluation and we look forward to engage further with you. With this, I hand over to Sachin. Thank you, Sachin, for moderating this session. The presentation part is over, so I request you to take it ahead with Q&A session.
Yeah, thank you, Ashutosh. Yeah, it's time for Q&A session. We have got some interesting questions. The first question is, which CAD file formats are supported in Glovius? I think Sridhar would like to answer this.
Yeah, thanks, Sachin. So yes, that's a very good question. Glovius supports almost all prominent CAD applications that are currently in the market. This means that you can view files created in CATIA, SolidWorks, NX, Creo, Inventor, etc. In fact, we also support, to give you an idea of the number of file types that we support over 50 different file types pertaining to CAD. We also support a wide variety of neutral file formats like STEP, IGES, and JD. We obviously support different versions of them based on the CAD versions and also maintain the backward compatibility as well. I hope that answers the questions. Okay.
Yeah. One more question. What collaborative tools are available in Glovius?
I'll take this one as well. Collaboration is, one of the key tenet in while we build Glovius as a feature set. With Glovius, you can collaborate by, generating reports and sharing them with your teams. For example, you could share a 3D PDF or a 3D HTML document to truly enable consumption of data with everyone, right? You can percolate the access of the design data to all your downstream users, thereby truly democratizing the usage of design data. Users can also export to a variety of other 3D formats like STEP, IGES, and Parasolid. We also export the latest standards in 3D collaboration, which is the STEP AP242 schema, which means that if you have a design component with PMI and other GD&T information stored in the native file, we can push them into the step 5 as well. So in short, we support all the entire gamut of formats and mechanisms available today to share with your downstream users or other users with whom you want to collaborate.
Thank you. Yeah, we have got one more interesting question. Which sector is your major customer base? What is ROI for Glovius? I think Ashutosh would like to take this.
Oh, yeah, thanks, Sachin. If we talk about our customer base, we get a lot of traction in automotive aerospace segments along with other manufacturing domains. We have a lot of customers from auto, aero domain, and these OEMs are there. Their supplier bases are there in our customer list. Wherever, I mean, summary, if I tell you, wherever we have a lot of CAD data consumers, we get very good tractions. And those organizations also can get a lot of scope in optimizing their CAD investment with Glovius. And talking about ROI, I think you might have seen the case study. One of our customers has achieved significant cost saving. I mean, it was up to the tune of 92%. That's huge. And just by giving this option to their users, and they could, I mean, all the CAD users who don't want to make changes in the design, they can get benefited and use this Glovial license to in their processes. So I think, I mean, scope wise, ROI scope wise, it's huge.
Thank you. We have one more question. How does a development team gather user feedback in Glovius? I think Sridhar would be interested in taking this question.
Sure. Again, I think it was earlier mentioned in the webinar, right, that our entire team is based out of India. So we are a local team that reaches out to the worldwide market in terms of CAD visualization tools. So we typically connect with our customers via surveys, online meetings, and one-on-one in-person feedback sessions, right? So many of the tools in Glovius are, in fact, directly a result of such discussions and such enhancement requests. Our support, we also have a dedicated support team with a very strong SLA who regularly interacts with our customers and contributes back to the development process by advising and suggesting on the market conditions and their requirements.
Yeah, thank you. One more question is coming up. Is there a minimum recommended hardware configuration for Glovius?
Oh, yeah. Okay. So,
yeah.
Sure thing, sir. Yeah, definitely. So that is one of the key aspects as well. So we noticed that, to run a typical CAD application, you would need a certain minimum configuration for it to run optimally. Whereas our aim is to democratize the consumption of 3D data, like I mentioned earlier, which means that we have to reach more and more users and customers. So our requirement is very simple and very nominal. For example, any modern laptop or a PC running Windows 7 and upward should run Glovius. However, we recommend at least 4 or 8 GB of RAM and at least 1 GB of disk space for optimal running of Glovius, to enable opening of decent size files. We also recommend, a bare minimum graphic card so that because all these operations that typically run are graphically intensive, a graphic card would optimize your user experience and give you better value in terms of using Glovius.
Thank you, Sridhar. Thank you. So it's time to wind up. I think we are almost on the time. We hope you have enjoyed the webinar. We are now closing this session. We are sending link to recordings in next few days. If you have any remaining question, please write to marketing@glovius.com. You can visit glovius.com for more information. Thanks again for your time. Have a good day. Thank you.